Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S86 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Security and go to Screen Lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none. And now, let's go further to swipe. Now let's select PIN. Password. And in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can go back and enter fingerprint to scan our fingerprint and use it to unlock the phone. The fingerprint sensor is right here on the side of the phone. Simply tap it multiple times and each time adjust your fingerprint position. Now we can use our fingerprint to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is Face ID. Simply enter it. And scan your face on this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.